Okay, now we have seen the assign company code to fiscal year variant. We're going to define posting period variant and assign it to company code. Posting period variant is needed to control the posting periods which are open and closed. Okay, in a typical business example, in a typical company, only the current period will be open and all the other periods will be closed, because otherwise there is a danger that the users will post documents to a wrong posting period, be it before the current period or after the current period. So we don't want this to happen, therefore we block all the previous periods and future periods and leave only the current period to be open. So let's assume let me just show you something. Okay, see this? Let me just delete this. Let's say we have this one close. These are the periods we have, and this is the fiscal year. We need to close. If the current period is 4, which is April, we need to close all the previous periods and the future periods up to the current period, so that no document posting is posted to these periods, it's only posted to open period. So when a user attempt to post a document to a closed period, the system will automatically throw a message that the period is not open. Okay, so in this way we have a better control that no postings will go to the wrong periods. Let us check now. So for that we need to create a posting period table. This is called a table, right? This whole thing will be assigned to a code called posting period variant, and the variant will be attached to the company code. Okay, once again this whole thing will be attached. Let me just draw it for you. Just copy this whole table okay, let me just change it to fiscal year so that it will come near. Alright, now this is the table we have, right? This whole table will be assigned to or linked to a posting period variant. Like this, posting period variant. Posting period variant means just a code or key. Okay, a code or key to identify different tables that can exist in a system. Okay, each table, you can have a similar table like this for different financial year or different company, and it has to be assigned to a code or key similarly like this, so that it can be linked to a company code. So the posting period variant will be linked to a company code. In this case ours is Sun, into a company code. Okay, for example our Sun Limited. This is how the structure looks like. So now we're going to see this part here, how to create a posting period variant. Then I will show how to assign it to a company code. Then later on we will see how to set up this table. Okay, there are 3 things here: this is define variant for posting periods. We need to create this part here using this step. Okay, it is under financial accounting global settings, new posting periods, and this tab. See here, we already have 1000, because let me just show you something. We already have, I'm going to global parameters, enter global parameters. Let me just save it in the meantime. Posting periods. Okay, that's loaded now. Let me just go to Sun. See this posting period here. Our Sun has already been assigned to posting period 1000 here. 1000 has been assigned to company code Sun. The posting period can be assigned to a Sun company code using the global parameter screen, which is this, or using this tab. Not that. This one, assign variance to company code. This or this. Similar to fiscal year variant, where we have two ways to assigning it, either in global parameters or using this tab. Similarly, we can also assign the posting period using this tab or this tab. Now let us define it first. 1000 new entries, test variant, save it. We have already got a variant here, nothing much to specify. You come here, assign variance to company code, we pull out our company code, which is Sun, and here this one we will change it to test and save it. That's how you create a posting period variant and then assign it to a company code. Two steps. Or if you don't want to use this screen, when you assign the posting period variant here to the company code, I'm not going to assign it because I still want to use 1000, so I just cancel it. When you assign it here, it will also be updated here in the global parameters. That's how it works. Okay, or you can also change it directly here, and the other screen is automatically updated too. So now in the next topic we'll see how to establish this table and then link it to the 1000 posting period. Let me just delete the variant that I've created just now. Just an example, right? You can also delete. Alright, that's how you create a posting period variant and then assign it to a company code. Alright,